Sir, any advice to Senator Bato considering na may info na meron na daw arrest warrant against him?
Yeah, unang-una, hindi naman confirm na merong warrant of arrest issued. I was calling him, I believe, 3 days ago, just to give some moral support, being a former colleague or comrade in arms sa PNP. Pero he was not picking up. And the following morning, I noticed na meron siyang missed call sa akin. So I hope we can talk just to give him some advice, Hindi para magtago, hindi para how to go about facing criminal charges, because sa kanya something novel, kasi yung ibang mga kaso ng senador, including myself, dito lang local courts, but this time around this is more challenging for him kasi international criminal court.
So anong i-advise niyo sa kanya, sir? In case magkausap kayo today?
Well, marami sanang how to go about yung pagharap niya, kasi I think he knows it naman kasi galing naman sa PNP, but yung my own personal experience or experiences gusto ko ibahagi sa kanya para lang not for anything but within the bounds of the law and rules ng International Criminal Court.
So, sir,
hindi niyo siya papayuhan kung paano
I don't know
hindi
kung
mahuli?
papasok siya. I'd like to talk to him.
So hindi niyo papayuhan kung paano hindi mahuli?
Hindi pa naman siya nakadecide kung magtatago Kung mag-decide siya magtago, tuturuan ko siya kung paano magtago. The joke lang. Anyway, that's on the law enforcement authorities to look for him. It's his choice. Ang problema niya, kasi in my case, kasi local courts, applicable yung Tulyao versus Miranda. And in essence, sinasabi doon, even if the respondent is not under the legal jurisdiction of the courts, pwede pa rin mag-file ng mga pleadings. In his case, it won't apply. So hindi under, so yung kanyang warrant of arrest will stay, probably pwedeng ma-archive, but nandun yun. In my case, while I was on the lam, nakapag-file ako ng mga pleadings, which led to the dismissal of the case that I was facing at the time.
Pero sir, hindi nila pwedeng i-apply yung ginawa doon kay dating Pangulong Duterte?
I don't know, that's for the executive department to contend with.
Pero pwede ba niyang gamiting sanctuary yung Senate para makaiwas sa arresto?
Limited, kasi yung Constitution is very clear on the matter. First, kung less than 6 years yung penalty, may immunity from arrest when Congress is in session. Yun ang mga limitations. Kaya kung hindi in session ng Congress, hindi maabil yung immunity from arrest. And yun nga, 6 years or less. But we in the majority, support the pronouncement of the Senate President as long as he is in the Senate premises, at least man lang yung courtesy na wag gawin dito yung arrest. Well, if it comes to that, then we will have to tackle it. And probably, kanya pa rin call yun But he can stay in the Senate premises forever. Kasi something has to give way then. And yung Constitution, being the fundamental law of the land, will prevail. Kasi very clear naman doon na hindi lahat ng offenses, alleged offenses, hindi lahat ng crimes covered ng immunity from arrest. 6 years or less than 6 years lang yung penalty na involved.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.